I know you wonder how creator achieve split screen. What I'm trying to say is how the video split into screens and into layers and parts on the screen. It makes watching that video so much interesting. In this video, I will teach you how to do the same thing. Okay? Hello sprinkles, my name is Donna and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I upload videos on personal improvement, how-to videos just like this one and vlogs. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please don't forget to click on that red subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning and watching my video. You are definitely the best. I really love and appreciate you all. I'll always ask you to subscribe because I post value-packed educating videos. In today's video, I'll be telling you how to make 3-layer videos, or you can call it split screen. So we'll be making 3 split screen videos in Capcut, both horizontal and vertical. Keep on watching so you will learn. So guys, all you have to do is to go to your phone and type in Capcut, and you click on Capcut app, and in Capcut app you will see new project. You type in new projects, you choose the videos you want to add as split screen. When you tap on the videos like this, automatically there's something called collage that will appear here after you select more than one video. So that is it. Just with easy step you will be able to do your split screen. You tap on the collage and it loads the video for you. You see, automatically it has already given you split screen. If you want horizontal screen like this, you can select on each video and edit, like draw it to look like this and draw it to look like this to bring the face closer, or you can choose another screen as you can see. Then if this is what you want, you can also go to ratio down here and choose whatever you want as ratio. When you type in 3 video, these are the screens that will appear for you. Then you can go to ratio and you choose any size of your choice. Any size, it can be YouTube size, TikTok size, Instagram size, any size of your choice. This is TikTok and this ratio is for Instagram and this ratio is for YouTube. You see, this is for YouTube again, and this is a free ratio, and this, just select the one that is perfect for you. Okay, I'm choosing the YouTube collage, and next you have to click on continue to continue, and you type in continue, and you see the video has load. And what it does is that it appears like overlay. Look at the videos here, they appear like overlay. When you get to this point, if you want to edit the video, you can just tap on it, and you see this video is short. That's why when you move the cursor to this point, it doesn't appear again. You can split them to make them match together. So we'll split this one and we'll delete the rest. You see, we split this one and delete the rest. You can see all of them are in the same length compared to before, and now you can edit each one you like. If it's too, can edit it. Look at other edits here. All you have to do is to tap on it and you edit the way you want. When you are done editing and splitting it to the ones you want and making it feel equal, and it's only the first one, you can drag it longer and make it shorter to merge like the others. And when you're done, all you have to do is see how simple it is. In few steps you have already made your split screen. All you have to do next is to come to this arrow and save it, and that is it. Done. and you go to your gallery, and so this is the video, and everything is
Hello, my
done
Twinkles.
and
I
merged.
am
So let's
Tina, and
go
I'm
back to the
YouTuber
video.
based out of
Thank you for
Lagos, Nigeria.
watching. Bye. So guys, you just finished watching how to make split screen or layer video in Capcut. Please at this point give this video a huge like, it helped this channel visibility. Don't forget to leave a comment on what you think about the video, or if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. I love interacting with you guys. And if you have not subscribed at this point, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please subscribe, click on that red subscribe button and subscribe. Turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Please share my videos so it will get to so many people and others will learn and join our community. Please stay safe out there, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.